Alright, what's going on? Today I'm going to be showing you guys basically how to get unlimited coins and more on MadFut 23. Now if we open up the app, actually before we get started, I'm going to say this first of all. This can be done on both Apple devices like an iPhone or Android devices. If you have an Android phone, a Samsung, whatever it is, this can be done on Samsung as well. But for the purpose of demonstration, today I would be using an iPhone to show you guys how it's done, simply because I don't have an Android. Never really been an Android user, always only had Apple devices. Now, yeah, okay, so since that's out of the way, I'm going to be showing you guys what I mean by this. So look, if we open up my version of MadFut, here, and look, immediately you can see that there's a modded menu, which you don't get. This will focus. See that? And I could just click auto clicker, turn that sucker on. Look, auto clicker activated. I could get unlimited. And look at that. And look at that. Just like that, you can do whatever you want. Unlimited bot trades, unlimited auto clicker. You could unlock all the cards. I didn't select those two yet, but you can unlock all the cards, get as many coins as you want. And yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can do this for yourselves. So let's get right into the steps on how to do it. Okay, before actually downloading the MadFut app, we got to do two things. First thing, they're actually both done in settings, but in settings we're gonna go over to general, go over to about, and in about we're looking for one thing. It's nothing crazy, you don't got to scroll and look for it. We're just looking to see what our software version is. Now on this you can clearly see it is software version 15.6.1. Now that means that it is above the required iOS 10, and once you realize that it is above iOS 10, we can get back out. Second thing is over in battery right here, and in battery looking for one thing again and one thing only. That is the low power mode. I mean, we just want to see that low power mode is off. For whatever reason, when it comes to the downloading process and low power mode is on, it just does not seem to function properly. It doesn't seem to download smoothly and download the way it's supposed to. So for that reason, we just want to make sure that low power mode is off. Once we have seen that low power mode is off, along with our software version being above anything above iOS 10, we can leave and start the download of MadFut++. Swipe up and go to your web browser app of choice. For me, that will be Safari. In Safari, we're looking for the website known as appbuild.vip. In appbuild.vip, we're going to scroll and look for MadFut. Okay, there's a lot of apps, as you can see. So we're just going to actually search it instead. MadFut 23, we're looking for the newest version, 23++. We're going to hit install on this. Once it has downloaded, you will see a pop-up. This is the website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? We do, so we're going to hit allow, close, and swipe up. Go over to settings. We're going to leave the battery and we're going to go over to general. In general, we're going to go over to VPN device management and look, MadFut 23++. Another way you can do this is just go straight from the profile tab right there and hit install. Enter your passcode. Next, hit install, and then a red install should pop up down here, which we're going to install. Oh, I missed it. Apologies. Next, install, and profile installed, and just like that you have MadFut 23++. Hopefully this was a helpful video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.